Hey there guys, welcome back to another PriceCP Roblox Studio tutorial. Let's now learn how to detach the camera from our character. Let's play test and take a look. To detach the camera from my character, I'm gonna do a Shift P, and now I can move the camera to wherever I want without moving the character. You see, I can move the camera all the way to the top here, so I can see what's up here without moving my character. And once you're finished, you want to attach the camera back to the character. Just do another Shift P, and now the camera is attached to the character, and you can run around normally like you normally do. And you can do the same thing when you're inside the Roblox game on Roblox. Let's take a look. Now I'm inside the game. To detach the camera, do Shift P. And now you can move your camera to wherever you want. Guys, that's how you detach the camera from your character in Roblox. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace.